So we've all heard the saying, one step forward, two steps back. Well, you know where we're going, don't you? Yep, that's right. We are going to take, I think it was 3 steps. This arc has got to land in 2 specific places, and then when it lands there, it's got to change a direction. The direction that it's changing is relating to the frame that it's going to be following from that point on. Right now, this arc is landing in the wrong spots. So that's got to be changed. This is about 4 inches right here, way too big. And where that runs into an issue is that the running boards fit underneath this rocker, and those running boards have mounting locations on the frame, so everything's got to be right. I reached out, and there's an individual, he helped me out. I think he's from Europe. I'm not 100% for sure. I should have asked him. He provided me some dimensions. These are his patch panels. He got these from EMS, and he gave me the dimensions of that drop leg. I also got dimensions for when it changes directions. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to end up narrowing mine, and we already talked about making the cuts to sort of change directions, and that's going to require some weld up. So that is what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. This should be the final look before I go and lock down these angles. I just got done measuring my distance from the edge of the rocker to the inside of the door, and I've got a 1/2 inch on both ends, and I lost it in the middle a little bit. I need to take it in 1/8 of an inch. But I am going to do that on the bench and try to walk that edge out. That edge isn't very crisp, so I should be able to walk it out with a little hammer and dolly action, because I planned on truing up that corner before I go and run it through the bead roller. Gonna have to put some material right in that corner, a pie-shaped piece right here, and after I get the door out of my way, I'm going to cut this. I should be able to just straight up weld that. So this is the wrap up. I hope you found the video productive, informative, and interesting. I've got a lot to go on this coupe. I feel like it's come a long way so far. It's starting to look like a car project versus something that you'd push off of your trailer at a dump. I'm hopeful that it continues. I've got plenty more to do. There's going to be plenty more of the operations ahead for this patient. You give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, a comment. If you've got any personal experience or background with doing any of these tasks right here, if you happen to know some areas that I could save some time, I'd love to hear them. We can chat it up down in the comments. And yeah, that's about it. I'll go ahead and catch you guys later. Y'all take care. Appreciate you.